What's up, YouTubers? 2016 Sonic Turbo, baby. So this customer of mine was at not Monroe. I don't even know who it was. Mr. Tire. And they did a valve cover gasket and water outlet, but then they broke this and zip tied it on, and she had all kinds of mass airflow sensor codes, but it looks like they replaced the mass with an aftermarket one, but this thing still wouldn't clip in. So I'm not screwing around with it. She's getting all new parts. This is from the dealership. All right, this is from Chevy. That's your part number. We're putting an OEM mass airflow sensor in too at the same time, because I'm just not screwing around with aftermarket shit that doesn't fit or work right. So it comes with butt connectors. I don't know if I want to solder this in or not. I probably will, based on how well these connectors fit, because that circuitry in there is delicate. But I don't know if I can tin that wire. I need to see what it is on this side and this side. Yeah, boy. So if someone needs an OEM part number for a mass and the pigtail to fix it, now you got it. Thanks for watching.